Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on Capcut. So first open Capcut and then tap on New Project. And then from here tap the video that you want to edit. So in my case I'm going to choose this and then tap Add. Alright, so select the video on the trackboard and then slide left. Then you'll have an option to tap on reverse. That's third on the last option. Tap on reverse. Now it will be reversed in here, as you can see. And that's how to reverse a video on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.